Learning about naive approach of forecasting. This is the simplest method for forecasting. Naive approach assumes that the previous data, your previous quarter or previous year data will be the forecast for the next year data. First, we will create a variable t time and we will code as the numbers. Now, we will do the forecast. We will leave the first cell blank and then copy the previous data. For quarters, we can do the next quarter of 2004 first quarter forecasting with this, or for simple learning, I am doing like this first quarter will be the second quarter prediction. Now we will calculate error, absolute minus forecasting, and copy all the formula. Now we will calculate absolute error. Formula for absolute error is equals to ABS and send. Copy this. Now we will calculate MPE or MSE, mean square error, is equals to error power 2. This will give us the maximum error that can occur in a data, and then we will calculate MAP, mean absolute percentage error, is equals to absolute error divided by actual data. And copy this. Now MPE, mean percentage error, is equals to error divided by actual. Mean percentage error will always be near zero as it includes all the positive and negative signs, right? And mean absolute error will be the highest error irrespective of sign. Okay, now we will calculate mean of all the errors from presentations. Okay, now average is equals to average and absolute error. We copy the formula. MPE and MAP will be in percentage format. Now we will make a summary sheet here, and we will keep on adding different methods to compare which method is the most accurate. Mean absolute error, mean square error, mean absolute percentage error, and mean percentage error. Now we will link all the results. Okay. Now we will do some presentations. So that our summary sheet must look good. Nice method. Now let's make some graphs. This is the actual data. And we keep all the graphs below. So we just move this down near the summary sheet. Okay. And now we'll make time, actual data, and forecasted data, right? And recommended for chart. We'll select line graph. We'll move this down with actual data. We have actual versus forecast and actual data. Let's write this here, actual versus forecast. So this was naive approach. We'll see you in another video with another method of forecasting. Thank you for watching.